Hello, how to evaluate this? This is 5 power 7 minus 6, so I can have 5 to the power of this is 7. I can express this as 6 plus 1 minus 6. So from here, if you have a power x plus y equals a power x times a power y. Applying this right here, I have 5 power 6 times 5 power 1 minus this. I can express it as 5 plus 1, which is 6. So from here, I have 5 power 6 times 5. I use this negative to expand this. This will be minus 5 minus 1. So from here, I factor out 5. This divides 5. I have 5 power 6. Then minus 5 divides 5. I have 1. And have minus 1. So from here, I have 5 times. This is 5 power. I can express this as 3 times 2 minus 1. And you have minus 1 here. So from here, if you have a power x times y, this equals a power x to the power of y. So that means you apply that here. We have 5 times this is 5 power 3 to the power of 2 minus 1. We can raise this to the power of 2. And this is minus 1. Now remember, 5 power 3 equals 1 to 5. So this is 5 times this is 1 to 5 to the power of 2 minus 1 power 2. And this is minus 1. So from here, if you have a squared minus b squared, this equals a minus b times a plus b. So there's power 2 here, there's power 2 here. So we have 5 times this is 1 to 5 plus 1. This is 1 to 5 minus 1. This is minus 1. So from here we have 5 times 1 to 5 plus 1. That's 1 to 6 times 1 to 5 minus 1. It's 1 to 4 and we have minus 1. So let's multiply this out. We have 100 plus 26 times we have 100 plus 24. That is the same thing as 1 to 4. And we add 5 times this and we have minus 1. So let's multiply this out. We have a plus b times a plus c. This equals a squared plus b squared plus 2 times ab. And our a is 100. B is 26. This is a again. This is c. That is not even it. Let me write this again. A plus b times a plus c is, this is a squared plus a times b plus c plus b times c. So that is it. Our a is 100. This is a, b, and c. So this is 5 times 100 squared plus 100 times 26 plus 24 plus 26 times 24 minus 1. So from here, we have 5 times 100 squared. That is 10,000 plus this is 50 times 100. That is 5,000. That's 5,000. 50 times 100 is 5,000 plus 26 times 24. 4 times 6, 24. 4 carry over 2. 4 times 2, 8 plus 2, 10. 2 times 6, 12, 2 carry over 1. 2 times 2, 4, plus 1, 5. So this is 64. So let's add up. This is 15,000. So this is 5 times 15,000. 64. And this is minus 1. So let's multiply 15624 times 5. 5 times 4, 20. 0 carry over 2. 5 times 2, 10. Plus 2, 12. 2 carry over 1. 5 times 6, 30. Plus 1, 31. 1 carry over 3. 5 times 5, 25. 25 plus 3, 28. 8 carry over 2. 5 times 1, 5 plus 2. We have 7 minus 1. So this space 78119. So this becomes our answer to the calculator. This is 78,119. So that is it, guys. Thank you and goodbye.